GIPC डिजिटल इस वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप सभी का स्वागत है। I welcome all of you in this first GIPC virtual program. We know that due to COVID pandemic, the annual GIPC, which was held last year on 8th January 2020 at Vigyan Bhavan, and as usual, as we do it every year, but in 2021 we could not do this physical GIPC annual event, but before the end of the financial year 2021, we thought that we should make a beginning through our digital platform. So welcome you all, and I hope this digital conference will be a beginning, and as we find and as we see gradually, if the corona effect comes down, although the second wave is still on, then looking at the situation, we will do our 13th edition of physical GIPC towards the end of this year, maybe November sometime. We will keep you informed. Friends, GIPC is a continuous education and learning effort by iTech Business Solutions Limited in collaboration with Institute of International Trade. Today's conference is divided into 4 sessions. Our first plenary session will begin at 10:15. So this inaugural ceremony is only for 15 minutes. So here I just would like to mention that today's session is basically more concentrated on the public health and the role of innovation and IP in various fields of technology. We will begin with the innovation in the field of artificial intelligence, because we know that technology is moving fast ahead, and in the digital world, the artificial intelligence, disruptive innovation, these are taking the precedence. So therefore, first session is on the topic AI innovation to patent or not to patent. We will have 4 speakers in this session, and the session will be chaired by me. I am Dr. Dhanpat Ram Agarwal, the Director of Institute of International Trade as well as of GIPC as the Founder Director. The second session will be on the pharmaceutical technology and innovation. The subject is patent rights on the pharmaceutical, the patent right versus right to health. So we generally find a trade-off between the patent right and the right of health. As we know, this session will be chaired by Dr. C.K. Sehgal, who is an expert in the field, and he is also an expert in the public health system, and he would deal with the subject along with other co-speakers about how trade-off can be maintained between public health and the patent right. And we know that under the WTO, under the TRIPS regulation, there is a Doha Declaration where this subject has been dealt with. So I think that this session will be also very interesting to all the participants. In the third session, we will have Professor Heinz Budar, and he will address the issue on the various aspects of the IP service providers. And the topic which he has chosen is fighting the injunction gap in German patent litigation, the status of the second German Patent Modernization Act. And then finally, we will have the fourth plenary session. The topic is impact of COVID-19 pandemic on innovation is business modules and technology and the IP. So this is the first experience where we'll have different zones. The whole conference is virtual, so therefore we have the networking facility also. We have the facility for the exhibitors to discuss and to display their products. So we will have a VIP lounge where 4 persons can sit together and have their discussion on several networking issues. Then we have the lounge where all the speakers can have their chatting and discuss on various networking issues. And then we have a lobby where the speakers can wait till their session comes for their speaking. And similarly, we'll have the main stage where the audience can participate in the discussion. So I hope that this being the first experience of GIPC through the digital platform, if any shortcoming is there, we will try to resolve it gradually. But this is a foolproof system, so technology-driven this digital platform, I think this will be very useful. So this is a one-day session, and I hope GIPC in its effort for continuous knowledge creation in the field of IP will continue this kind of digital sessions in months to come, and thereafter finally we will have our physical GIPC also as usual, as we do in annually. So friends, I hope that you will all enjoy this, and if any kind of technical problem you face, because those have been yesterday we had a mock session and we tried to understand what different kinds of problem can come. So the participants can use the chat, and if there is anything they can resolve it through the chat. So I hope there would not be any kind of gap between the speakers and the participants and all the different sponsors, and everybody will find it useful. And therefore I think we start with our first plenary session. So with these words, I thank you all for your encouragement to GIPC, and the GIPC team, the administrators will be there to help you out. If you have any problem, our administrative team will be there throughout, and they will try to resolve any issue which comes in between. So let's hope for a wonderful session, and I convey my hearty thanks once again to all the people who have come in different capacities, as speakers, as exhibitors, as sponsors, as participants. So with this remark, let's hope that the GIPC continues to keep this program in the best possible manner, and hopefully this will be fruitful for all of you. Now, as we begin our first plenary session, the theme, as I said, is AI innovation to patent or not to patent. So in this plenary session, we have 4 learned speakers. So I invite all the speakers, and I begin with requesting the speakers to come on the stage. Mr. Anubhav Kapoor, Group Vice President, Legal and Group Company Secretary, Cummins Limited. So, Mr. Anubhav Kapoor, let's give a welcome clap to Mr. Anubhav Kapoor, and I welcome him on the dais. Then I request Mr. Joginder Singh, partner Lex Orbis, who is also one of the speakers in this session. So we welcome Joginder, and we request you to come on the dais. I request audience to give a clap and welcome him. Then we have Mr. Vidya Vikas, IPR consultant, Tata Consultancy Services, who is also one of the learned speakers in this session. So we welcome Vidya, and we request him to come on the dais at this stage and take his seat. We welcome him once again by clap of hands. And then we have Mr. Ajay Panwar, Senior Counsel, IP Mastercard. So Mr. Panwar, he has also been regular. All these speakers, they are well known to the IPC, and we welcome Mr. Panwar also to the dais, and I request all the audience to welcome him by clap of hands. So we welcome all the four speakers, and then without any waste of time, so I would request our first speaker, Mr. Anubhav Kapoor, Group Vice President, Legal and Group Company Secretary, Cummins, to take his session. And I'll request all the speakers, we have this session is from 10:15 to 11:45, 90 minutes. So I think the speakers can take about 15 minutes or so that if they complete within 15 minutes, we will have some time for the audience for question answer. So I would request Mr. Anubhav Kapoor to start his session.